Hey everyone, it's Anna, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some DIY rose patch items. I don't know what to call this, but basically I'm using rose patch items and I'm just putting them on some stuff. So, yeah, keep watching for more. So, to start off with these shoes, what you need first is a pair of regular black loafers. I got mine from Target for only $25. And a glue gun right here. Of course, your rose patches. And some hot glue gun sticks. I moved over here so that would be more easier to plug in the glue gun. So what you're going to do first is place where you want the patches to be. I'm totally going to do mine something like this. Wait. Oh yeah, I was totally, sorry, the other way. So you can always play around to how you want it, but I was thinking about something like having the leaves like fall off the shoe on this edge, on the outer edge. So it'd be like something like this. And just go place the other one the same way. I'm like struggling. Okay, something like this. And they're not going to be perfect because they are the same patch going like different directions, but that's okay. For me, that is okay, at least. So this is what it's going to look like. So I think my glue gun is ready to go. If I forgot to mention, I got these rose patches from Amazon for like $2. They were really super cheap. So yeah, that's why I got 2 sets of them. So I'm going to start like in the middle or right here. And I'm kind of just like start in the middle. You gotta do like a little line. See how that works. I might press it. I was going to sew these patches onto the shoes, but then I realized that sewing onto shoes might be a little difficult. So
genius.
time for the shirt, you'll need any kind of shirt that you want. Your rose patches, of course, and some matching needle and thread, and a pair of scissors. So I'm gonna lay my shirt out. It is this one that I thrifted at St. Vincent's. I actually thought it was cute before I decide to put the rose patches on, but yeah, I think it shrunk in the washer, to be honest. So how I'm gonna do my rose patches, that I'm gonna put them over the pockets, so it'll be like this. I have also thought about doing something like this, but you can do it however you want. But like I said, I'm making a rose boobie shirt, and I want where my roses are gonna be, which is where the pockets are, which is on my boobs. So yeah, I'm gonna be starting with the red string. I did double string it so it'll be easier, and yeah, I just unbutton the pocket, and I'm just basically going to sew this on with the pocket. So yeah, don't sew up the whole part so that you have room. So I'm gonna stay to like the edges, maybe right here, and like, yeah. So yeah.
Mr. Genius.
Later, finally finished sewing this rose patch shirt. Yeah, so that's basically it. It's super easy, and you can probably do these with every shirt you own. So yeah.
Mr. Genius.